Hey guys, Harsh here back in the video. So today I have another Tarmac Works membership card for you guys, and this time I have the BRE Datsun, and I think this is the 510 version, something like that. Yeah, so it is the 510, and this is a special card because it does come with the Tarmac Works membership card, although it has been cancelled for about 3 days now or something like that, but still has the membership card, which is quite nice. So let's just remove this tape over here and take a closer look at it from the inside. This is the card that you will get only when you purchase the membership from the Tarmac Works website, and there is only limited quantities produced, so this is quite a rare model to have now. Although not that much rare, there isn't any demand for it, but when the demand goes up they can have insane prices. So very nicely packaged, as you can see, unlike any of the Tarmac Works I have seen so far. Flips up just like so, and inside we have the membership card. You can see we have the California license plate, and it is the chassis number 1411. So I believe there are still 600 or so cars left in their inventory because no one purchased them. The model is there in the inside. You can see it has a very nice boxy design, which I quite really like. But first let's take a look at the membership card. So it is made out of metal, you can see, although I think it has very sharp edges, so I might need to be very careful over here. Slides out just like so, and here you can see have a very nice metallic and matte finish. You can see at the bottom Tarmac Works Owner's Club. Quite a nice way to do a membership card, not simple credit card type card. You will get unique cards every time you purchase the membership, although it has been, I think, discontinued from the W13 onward. So that is the last card that you will get with the card, I believe. So quite a bit disappointing, but it is what it is. So let's just quickly put it back in its place because that's where it belongs. And then we will take out the car here. It is also wrapped in this plastic, so we need to remove that as well. And you can see we get a lot more detail about the car itself. The licensing over here is also mentioned, and this is the car for their I think 2022 to 2023 membership. So I'm quite a bit late now for this review, but I was getting the 24 membership, so I thought why not get the whole set as well. So here is the car, and as always the base is quite nice. You can see all the information, and the Owners Club limited to 1999 pieces. That is also very nice. Let me just remove this case over here. It is a quite tight fit, and here we have the car. As you can see, it is only held by one screw at the bottom. So let's remove it and take a closer look at it. Now I actually have absolutely no information about what this car is and what race type of series it ran on. So just pardon me for that. I am too lazy to do the research on this one. I just need the model so bad, so I just left it at that. For some reason the headlights over here, as you can see, are painted with some random sponsors or something like that. Some of them are flags and some of them are weird sponsor, which I absolutely don't recognize at all. The front grille, I think, is quite nicely detailed. It has this very nice chrome finish given to it. Looks very nice. And the tires on this particular version are non-treaded tires, and they are quite tough to rotate. The W13 was quite free rolling chassis, but this time around they are quite stuck inside their wheel well, so this can be classified like a non-rolling chassis because of that. The wheels do rotate, but you have to put quite a bit of pressure onto them. Maybe sanding down few bits and bobs here and there will solve the problem, but I won't be doing that. On the hood you can see we have the 46 Datsun logo, and these little holes over here, which I'm guessing are used to open the hood and then lock it in place so that it doesn't flip around during the race. The windshield wiper, for the first time I am seeing, are pasted on separately. So these are very tiny little plastic wipers, and they are quite a bit of distance from the actual windshield, so they won't be wiping any water in this particular case. But it is still nice to see that they have put in the effort to put these sort of details onto the car. The side of the fender, you can see we have the BRE logo. It is, I think, painted in this case, not a decal, so that is quite nice. The wheel rims are also quite nicely detailed, have a very nice silver finish onto them. The tire wall has the Goodyear logo on them. Now the more I see the sponsors on this car and how the driver name is on there, I think this is sort of a rally cross championship or something like that. The number 46 is quite clearly visible, as you can see. We also have this little dent over here on the door, which represents the door handle. Also very nice to see that. And up here we have information about the driver itself. So driver name and the blood type, I'm guessing, which is O. This is the information that you sort of see in rally cross championships cars. So that's where I got the idea that this car maybe ran on like rally tracks. The interior of the car is quite nicely detailed. You can see we have the roll cage over here, and from here you can see we have the seat. Also, it is a single seat car, not the dual seat, so I'm guessing no navigator for this particular driver. And the seat also has some seat belts, so that is a very nice detail to see, and those are red painted, so you can like see how nicely it is detailed. And they also have like silver buckles onto them, which is also nice to see. The steering wheel and the dashboard I think are quite okayish detailed. There is nothing much special going on over there. Beneath the number 6 we have like a text written on there, which I actually cannot pronounce, or it is a very weird word to say, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But as you can see, the text over here is quite clearly visible because of the high contrast. It is on a yellow background, that's why you can quite clearly see it what it is written. Now if you move further back, you can see we have some more logos as well on the side of the fender there, as you can see, on the back windshield as well, and on the rooftop you can see we have the BRE Datsun number 46 and a company name which I will not say because I cannot pronounce it. And that is the same case on the other side. As you can see, this is actually a very simple model. There isn't like much going on, not many sponsors, but that isn't really the thing. It is a membership car, and that's the main highlight of this particular car. On the back you can see we have the tail lights, and these are plastic insert tail lights with like silver lining around them, again to give a very nice chrome finish to it. Always nice to see. And we can also see we have this bumper over here in a chrome finish. I'm guessing it is a plastic which is silver painted in color, but do correct me if I'm wrong. Now the underneath has a somewhat detailed drivetrain over here. Although this being a race car, there isn't much to see because they usually keep their drivetrain and all those are secret, so we won't be able to see any other details. We get the company logo and the car brand and the country of origin. That is quite nice. On the back you can see we have this like very weird exhaust pipe over here. It is yellow painted, don't know the reason why, but it is quite nicely detailed. You can see we have a hole inside it, and it is also painted black. So this is like the pinnacle of exhaust system in model cars. You cannot actually ask for more in an exhaust system, so full points for that. And I think that's it about this car, because as I've said before, there isn't like much details on here, not many sponsors. It is just a simple car, the main highlight being it is a membership car. So thanks for watching the video guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. And I have actually ordered 2 more membership cars after this one, so maybe in the future I will be reviewing those as well, just for my own sake, and uploading them to YouTube. So stay tuned for those video guys as well, and I will catch you all in the next one.